Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use fill command. So first what you need to do here is to press escape, go to settings, then go to game, make sure it's my world is selected, and then you need to do a few things. Make sure first show coordinates is selected, and also make sure that activate cheats is enabled as well. Then what you need to do here, you need to go back, and then you just need to look, basically go to the one corner of the basically thing that you want to fill. So this corner in my case, and then you need to go to opposite one, right? And write down your coordinates here. And then what you need to do here is to just press T and then write /fill, and then you need to put your coordinates. So in my case is -7, then -60, then 41, and then put on other coordinates. Do not put any commas or whatsoever. Just write coordinates here, and then put space after your coordinates is written, and then you need to write your basically filling. So I want sand, and then you just need to, as you can see here, it will be some suggestions, and I just want to just send. Press enter, and as you can see here, everything now is filled with sand. Maybe I wrote coordinates wrong, but nevertheless, as you can see here, it's filled with sand. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.